Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to compare two CRM products. First one is HubSpot CRM and the second one is Pipedrive. I'll tell you more about these products. We will go through some pros and cons, and at the end I'll try to explain you which one is better, at least in my opinion. So let's start with HubSpot. Forever free customer relationship management software that provides a solution to all CRM needs. HubSpot CRM automates the task for your salespeople, which allows more work with less data entry. The interactions are tracked down automatically, and a separate visual dashboard displays deals for total visibility. Now handle up to 1 million contacts, users, and storage without any expiration date, all of it without paying a penny. With HubSpot CRM, you can also send emails in a personalized sequence, which is delivered as per the schedule you set. Get notified whenever any lead opens your email so that you know how to follow up with that particular lead. What's good about the HubSpot is 24/7 live assist in business hours. They're online, so it's meant to be for small, medium, and large enterprises, for basically anyone. You can use it at Android and iOS, which is not big of a difference. They are delivering, or they are dividing your needs into a few bundles like Marketing Hub, Sales Hub, Service Hub, CMS Hub, and Operations Hub. That goes along with the pricing as well. So when you take a look on HubSpot, you can see there are some free tools at free forever, which is basically the trial version that gives you starting deals faster in your CRM. It includes live chat, basic bots, team email, some quotes, also 15-minute calling to get you set up with a HubSpot, sharing blocks, email templates, connected snippets. Then what else is there? It's also open for mobile app straight away, so you don't have to pay extra hundreds of dollars to actually find out. Then Marketing Pack. All of them have customized. They're customized differently. Even they are expensive, let's face it. You can also bill it monthly or upfront, which means annually, and then starting at 1,000 contacts, and you can go sky's the limit in this case. So let's talk more about the Pipedrive, a CRM software built with intuitive interfaces, clean layout, and a simple user experience to help you manage your customer relations efficiently. An easy to custom software, Pipedrive CRM serves you the way you want to, according to your needs. The software is built around sales pipeline monitoring methodology, which offers a quality visual interface, prompting users to take appropriate action, stay organized, and monitor challenging sales process. The email integration features connects automatically to the contact and display everything that's happening with a particular prospect at one place. When we take a look on the Pipedrive, it works horizontally as every CRM that you can basically think of. Both HubSpot and Pipedrive are very dependent at integrations, but mostly HubSpot. So basically, if you engage Zapier into this equation, you can really get the most of both of them. For example, if you're trying to get the best features of Pipedrive in your HubSpot, you still can, even with, I don't know, Salesforce. It's completely up to you. So you can integrate HubSpot, for example, with Salesforce and get the best features of Salesforce into your HubSpot experience. Even though Pipedrive is an intuitive, cost-effective, and scalable CRM created by salespeople for salespeople, Pipedrive offers unlimited contacts, custom fields, and visual pipelines, and 24/7 year-round support across the planet. Yeah, and that's really where I'm trying to find some pricing plans here for Pipedrive, but I won't be able. Oh, let's go like that. You have also option to be built monthly or yearly. There's some essential plan, advanced, professional, and enterprise. I will leave the link in the description underneath this video, so you can check out the pricing plans straight away. And as you can see, even in essential, there's this ton of options for Pipedrive. Also in advanced, professional, and then of course enterprise. I mean, HubSpot in this case is a little bit behind because it's more expensive, and HubSpot free CRM is designed for small teams and doesn't include some of the most important features. For many of those, you will have to pay hundreds of dollars a month, which could prevent it from scaling. But that's like the only thing that this free option in HubSpot, it's not that featurey. You have to really go and go at least if you go monthly, so you pay like $50 or $800, which is quite a lot. And Pipedrive provides its free version full of features. In my opinion, I still like HubSpot more because of the integrations that you can do, but it's completely up to you. I recommend you try both for free and go from there. You can get in touch with the HubSpot team, watch some instruction videos, and really kick it off with even a HubSpot. So if you like the video, guys, leave a like and feel free to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.